This video reviews the Schwinn X and Z bike assembly procedure. Required tools. Unpacking. Follow the instruction on the outside of the box to remove the packaging materials. Step 1. Lift the cam lever, then slide the handlebars onto the handlebar post. Lock the cam lever down to secure the handlebars. Step 2. Install the handlebar stopper into the handlebar post. Secure using a flathead machine screw and 4mm Allen key. Step 3. Use a Phillips screwdriver to secure the slider cap to the handlebar post using 4 pan head screws. Step 4. X bikes skip this step. Z bikes plug the console cable into the back of the console until it clicks. Step 5. Loosen the seat slider tension cam lever, then slide the seat assembly onto the seat post. Tighten the seat slider tension cam lever, then use a 5mm Allen key to tighten the screw located underneath the seat post to lock the slider assembly into place. Step 6. In a clean work area, tip the bike forward so the handlebars rest on the ground, then slide the threaded footplate onto the frame. Secure the stabilizer to the frame with 2 flange bolts and a 12mm wrench. Step 7. Tip the bike backwards so the seat post rests on the ground, then slide the threaded footplate onto the frame. Secure the stabilizer to the frame with 2 flange bolts and a 12mm wrench. Step 8. Install the left pedal into the left crank arm, then thread the pedal bolt through the crank into the pedal. Use a torque wrench with an 8mm Allen socket to torque the pedal bolt to 37 foot-pounds. Repeat for the right side pedal. Step 9. Use the screwdriver to remove the battery cover on the left crank power meter. Install 2 AA batteries from the blister pack and reinstall the cover. Step 10. After installing the power meter batteries, tap any button on the console to wake it up, then spin the crank arms and ensure the console is displaying both RPMs and power. Step 11. Move the bike into its ride location, then adjust the 4 leveling feet to level the bike and ensure it does not move or wobble during a ride. Note, if the bike is physically moved, the leveling feet may need to be readjusted.